First of all, we gotta get that pasta done. And I'm gonna be using a whole grain penne pasta. I'm gonna cook it al dente. That's about 9 to 10 minutes according to the directions. Start off by heating my pan with some olive oil, just enough to saute 1 14-ounce can of quartered artichoke hearts. And I did give them a rinse. I just feel they taste better that way because, you know, they've been in a can. 1/2 cup of chopped red onion. I know I may call it purple sometimes, but I just grew up calling it purple onion. 1/2 cup of canned chickpeas. These are organic. If they're a good price organic, you know, why not if it's a couple cents more. So these are organic. They're great value. I went ahead and strained them and rinsed them. I'm going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium to high heat before I add my spinach, basil leaves, and garlic. Lightly salt and pepper. Now I am ready for the spinach. 1 clove of garlic, some fresh basil. I have 4 large leaves. I'm just going to tear them up a bit. One cup of water. Go ahead and get all of that crispy bits and all that goodness off the bottom of the pan. When it comes to a boil, just give it a mix. Turn off the heat, let it cool before adding to your blender. It's a bit warm still, but that's okay with me. You want everything from the pan in your blender, including the broth that we created. And now I'm going to add some lemon. Make sure you don't get no seeds in here. Just a squeeze, not too much, just enough to bring out some taste. Salt and pepper, and let's blend this up. Push everything down from the sides of your blender. Put your top back on, and now we're going to drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add all of your artichoke sauce in the pan with the penne. Give it a good mix. Lightly salt this now that we got the penne in. Pepper. Just a bit of lemon. Just a drizzle, a tiny drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Cook on a medium to high heat until everything is heated. Turn your heat off and we're ready to plate.